If the Instagram audio call option is not showing or working properly, there could be several reasons for this issue. First one is a internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can affect voice calls. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection for it. Then simply go to the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Then search for the Instagram in the search address bar. Then simply tap on the Instagram option available there. Then if there is an update, then tap on the update and restart the app after updating and check for the calling feature, because an outdated Instagram version can cause issues with features like audio calling. Now, check the permission for the audio or microphone on your phone for Instagram. In order to do that, simply go to the settings on your iOS. Once inside the settings, scroll down till the bottom and there you can see apps option available there, and tap on the apps. Inside app, scroll down and look for the Instagram option and tap on it, or you can simply search in the search bar at the top. Then inside Instagram, if there is microphone disabled, then make sure that is enabled. After you do so, you can find your audio call option available on Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.